So now friends, in this video we will learn about how to merge data from different data source. Like we have data source of different type, like it can be in the form of PDF, text, CV, CSV, SQL files. So if we want to merge them together, how we can do it in Excel? In Excel with VLOOKUP it's not possible. Like in with VLOOKUP, what we will do, we will merge, like we will do VLOOKUP and finding the data only of the Excel files only. But here in this case we will merge data of different data source, like it either it can be in the form of your PDF or CSV or text. So like I will show you what data we will doing there. So we have here a folder, and in this folder we have two files. So that one this is in the form of text file, and the another one is in the form of your CSV file, and this is our Excel workbook. So we will first of all we will do this with product with this price with text file, then we will do it with your CSV file. So how we can do it, let's check it out. So this is our files now. So I will show you the other file also, and this is our text file. So we will merge it with that. So how we can do that, let's check it out. We go here in sheet, and then we will go to data, new query, and from query we will take from Excel workbook. So when we will click on Excel workbook, and then we will go to our file which is in the E drive, and I will just click the folder. We have to find out the folder, and in the merge folder we have this file product data. So I will just take this first one, and it is in the same way. So here I will take the select the multiple items, but in this case we are only taking one sheet which is sales of products, and here I will go and from there load to, and I will create a connection, only connection, and just load it. So after correcting a load creating connection, we do not need to load all the data. So we are just connecting the connection with the existing data. So we have this file again we go to new query, from files this time I can take this text file. We have a text file also there. So this is our text file price. So I will take this. After taking this is our file, then I will go here, and then I will take load to. The steps are almost the same which we have done earlier, only create connections, load. So we have these two files. Now I will go to new query and combine queries, and I will just click on merge. A new window will appear. Now from here we will take our data, sales product data. So where we have to add our merge, we have to take this first. That's your own choice, but this is the better way, sales a product. And the next we will take our price and take the common column in between them, which is product, and then I will press OK. So after clicking that, our Power Query editor is adding that. So we have a complete table there, and from this table we just have to take, I will just click the use original column prefix with prefix. I will just remove this and just take the price here and collect the and deselect your product and just click OK. So now we have data from our text file and Excel file together merged. Similarly we can do it with your CSV file also. That is also possible with your CSV file also. So that's also possible. We can do it with CSV file also. Now we will go here. If you want to do it with the CSV file, then we will go to data, then new query, from files, first of all from Excel workbook I will take product data and import, same steps, and then I will click select multiple items, then select the sheet which we want to merge, then we will go there load to, and just create a connection, only connection, and load. So we have a connection here. After creating connection I will go to new file, from file this time I will take from CSV. So we have this price file as CSV file here. So I will import this, and after importing it again I will create a connection, load to, only create connections, load. So now we have these two files. Now I will go to new query and combine merge and combine with merging them. Then I will open this. From here I will take sales product second, because this is the second time we are taking, and from here I will take price too. So these are the two files. Then I will click product, then again I will create product and press OK. So now we have CSV and Excel file are merged together with this formula. Then I will go here, and from here I will just take this product price here and press OK. So now we have data and we can just close and load. So now we can have merged data either from your Excel, CSV. There are 25 forms in which we can merge data from different sources.